Hey there! Let's make this weird-ass dessert that most of you haven't heard of. Unless you search for it or saw it in like a Life of Boris video.
This is no ordinary cooking pot. This is babushka's pot. This is babushka's special kissel making pot.
So let's make kissel, or how I call it, kisielos. Let's roll. To make kissel, it will be very simple. We will need 220 grams of cranberries, washed of course. I drink kissel only during Christmas Eve, as many Lithuanians do. Lithuania is one of only few nations that have traditions where we come together and eat a Christmas Eve dinner and celebrate what we call kūčios. During Christmas Eve, we eat pescatarian meals and do spells and shit.
Listen, Harry, you're going to go to Hogwarts and do spells and shit, and you're gonna be fucking pleased about it.
And one of the meals, and most essential one, is of course kissel or kisielos. So now we put the cranberries in 1 liter of boiling water. If I had a bigger sieve, I would have boiled them in a sieve itself, so none of the stems or other trash would fall out to the kissel itself. But if you don't mind a leaf here and there, or just don't want to run it through a sieve one more time before serving, do as I do and boil the berries plain inside the pot. Now let them boil for a while until the water becomes red and you start hearing the cranberries popping. Once it's been like 15 minutes and the popping kinda stopped, you can fish out all the cranberries into a fine mesh sieve and then crush them through the sieve so that all the juices would be separated into the pot. Once that is done, all that is left to do is the final step. We will add 2 tablespoons of starch. Any kind of starch will work. Just mix it with a little bit of water before adding it to the cranberry juice mix itself. Pour it in and then don't forget to add like 12 teaspoons of sugar to the mixture. Mix, and that's it, it's done. Now I like this kissel where it wasn't too thick or too sweet, but you might want to add more sugar or a bit more starch if you like it more thick or sweet. But for me, this was perfect. You can still feel the cranberry sourness and it's still drinkable consistency. Just how I like it. Perfect. Hope you've had great holidays and peace!